Right now we're going to roast the butternut squash. Just going to coat it with a little bit of olive oil. I've scooped the seeds out. A little bit of olive oil inside and out. Lightly salted. A couple twists of freshly ground black pepper. Now we're going to put it face down on this silpat mat, put it into the oven, let it roast 400 degrees until it's fork tender. It's probably going to take about 40 minutes or so. Depends though on the size of your butternut squash and how accurate your oven temperature is. So into the oven. Okay, here's our butternut squash. It is fork tender all the way through. Okay, now we're going to let this cool enough that we can scoop out the meat from the squash. All right, now we're going to scrape the meat out of this squash. It should come out pretty easily if the squash is cooked, and it's coming out very easily, very custardy, okay? And we want to not get any of this outer skin. So after I get it all out of here, I'm going to transfer it into this saucepan, and I'm just going to check to make sure I don't have any skin.